See, achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Evaluate. There are two parts to it. This is the first problem. Evaluate, what have we to do? Cube root of this expression minus 1 by 3. Now what is this expression? 0.027 upon 0.0008 divided by 0.729 upon 0.512. Now remember one thing, all the cube roots are known of these numbers. So cube root of 0.027, 27 cube root is 3. Point means after 0.3, so when you make it cube root it becomes 1, so 0.3 upon 0.008, so 2, so after 0.3, so 0.2 divided by this 0.729. 0.729 is a square cube root of cube of 0.9, so 0.9 means 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729, so after 0.3, so single point now. Similarly 5 and 2 is 8, so it becomes 0.8. Now division, convert it to multiplication and reverse the order. So 3 upon 2 into 8 upon 9. Why did I remove all the points? Because see here, after point 1 place, after point 1 place, so this can be removed. Shift the point to 1 in numerator and denominator, it becomes 3 upon 2. Similarly over here, 8 goes up, 9 comes down after on multiplication. So point and point, after point 1, after point 1, shift it, it becomes 8 by 9, minus 1 by 3 as it is. Solve this, 3 1s are 3, 3s are 2, 1 are 2, 4s are, so 4 upon 3 minus 1 by 3, 3 common, so 4 minus 1, 3 by 3, that is 1. Okay, so for A the answer is 1.